This is from Mrs. Dolly Has a Lover, a play by William Hanley, right? Play that was off-Broadway in, I believe, the 1960s.
Mm-hmm.
Who's John Doney?
Don, he's a poet.
Obviously.
Give it to me, Frankie.
Why? What's the big secret? They dirty or something?
No, they aren't dirty or something. They just wouldn't interest you, that's all. I forgot I left it there by accident.
Is it yours?
Yes, it's mine, Frankie. Will you give me the book?
Wait. Mark but this flea and marking this, how little thou wish thou didst in me. It sucked me first, it sucked there.
Give it to me
And
now,
the
Frankie.
flea of two our bloods mingled be, thou maiden head. Not dirty, huh?
If you don't stop
I want
this
them on
minute,
my
you don't-
broth, that till we did till we loved, were we not weaned till then, but sucked our country pleasures childishly, or snorted we in the sleeper's den. 'Twas so, but this cannot be said, or you can. Hey, what are you so excited about?
You don't even know how to read it.
What do you think I was just doing?
Making fun of it like him.
Is it making fun of it? Come on, what are you crying for?
I'm not crying.
I wasn't making fun of it, I just didn't know how to read it then.
You probably never even saw a poem before.
Yes, I did. We had to read poetry in high school. Paradise Lost by Milton. I had memorized some of it. You want to hear it?
Thanks anyway.
Okay, so I don't know how to read a poem, right?
Boy, you sure don't.
You do though, huh?
Yes.
How do you know?
I don't know how I know.
Somebody tell you?
Some people just know some things, that's all.
All right. Go ahead. You do it.
What?
Read it.
You don't believe me?
You always think I don't believe you. Of course I believe you. I just want to see what's the difference.
I wonder by my troth what thou and I did to be loved. Were we not weaned till then, but sucked on country pleasures childishly? Or snorted we in seven sleepers' den? 'Twas so, but this, all pleasures fancies be. If ever any beauty I did see, which I desired and got, 'twas but a dream of thee. Beautiful dreamer, that's me.
Why?
I told you lie once, Frankie.
You mean you told me something you didn't mean?
No, I never did that. I never did that. But I'm older than I said I was even. I'm 38 years old.
Okay.
And I love you, Frankie. Stupid, huh, isn't it?
Consider me, yeah. I mean, I don't see why anyone would want to love me.
You're a kind young man, Frankie.
Why? I mean it.
I know you do. That's why you're kind. If you said that and didn't mean it, you'd be polite but not kind. I shouldn't have told you. I know that.
Wait, why?
But once you feel it, you can only go so long before you have to say it. It's like waiting for the other shoe to drop.
Why shouldn't you have told me?
Because once you say it, it could change everything.
They don't change anything.
It isn't enough just to be loved, sweetheart. You have to know what to do with it.
So what do I have to do with it?
That's what I mean.
What? Well, don't look at me like I'm an idiot. What?
Okay, I wasn't doing that. I wasn't. The thing is, I can't tell you what to do with it. Nobody can. I've been good to you, haven't I, Frank?
Yes, you have.
I've given you a lot of things.
Yes, and you'll get it all back too.
From you? No. But maybe someone else will. And that'll be just as good. It's like that game we used to play when I was a kid. Pass it on. You ever played that game? You say something to the kid next to you, or do something, and tell them to pass it on. Sometimes it was something nice, sometimes it was a punch in the arm.
Yeah, I used to play that when I was a kid. Yeah.
Don't stop.
Well, this is a punch in the arm.
No, you'll pass those on to, you will. You remember, you asked me why I picked you, not somebody else.
Yeah, and you said you couldn't say.
No. But I know why I wanted you to come back. After the first time, and all the times. You ever notice very often how people got ways of talking to each other? To avoid talking to each other?
No, not really.
You'll listen, you'll see. But it was hardly ever like that with you and me. Every once in a while in this life, Frankie, somebody talks to somebody else. I mean, talks. And it's sweet music, Frankie. You listen for it. You hear? Always your whole life, listen for it. You better get out of here, it's almost time.
No, that's not what I want to do.
What do you want to do? Tomorrow's another day.
Yeah, it's nice they arranged it like that.
Beat it, fresh kid.
See you tomorrow.
I'll be here.
Beautiful committed work. Beautiful committed work.